Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Light Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, giving you guys my spring my spring update on my YouTube channel. If you guys are not yet subscribed to Light Tommy C, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button there on the bottom corner and hit that notification bell on the side. That'll be great. So, also let you guys know, wow, we got some stuff to talk about. Like, talking about different radio frequencies, like across four different places, like, like at each theme park, they have like their own like different radio frequencies. Like at Universal Studios, they have their own. Like at Walt Disney World, they have their own. And I believe there at Walt Disney World, their old DMR system is like 151 millibytes, the lowest one. Cause also find out like 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 a whole lot more like different radio frequencies, which are like inside like a big theme park like Walt Disneyland or like Hershey World in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Each of those places has like their own radio frequencies. And like there at Hershey World, they like have their own entertainment and resort radio frequencies, and their county actually uses like an old, which a new P25 system, which this is like really great for them. But sadly, some people have used like several, se- several different like radio frequencies, like from like different areas, and we so far talked about the Buffalo region. We so far talked about Niagara Falls, New York, and Niagara Falls, Canada. We talked about the Florida region. We talked about the South Carolina and a little bit of the North Carolina area. Now what we are going to be talking about is my review on like the service there on the Washington Metropolitan Transit. Because this honestly right here gets a little bit more interesting. Because their radio system, if you guys would like to listen to it, it's on a radio system called Open MPHC, which also was also find out like number one, the first radio frequency that I would recommend you guys type in and like get ready for like number one is always look into like the place you guys are going. If they have like a lot of hotels, which is like narrow FM, that's what I would recommend you guys listen to, Because those kind of areas give you guys a wide area of like good luck perspective. But like also, let's like also find out like find out like a whole lot more like on these radio frequencies because up there in like Michigan, like there at the Henry Ford, they got like four radio frequencies. And that place is totally big. I gotta tell you. And this place is serious. If you guys would like to go see like an American invention, these are the areas you guys got to go see. It's like also, it's like also like number one, the first radio frequency I would recommend you guys download is if you guys ever see like a transit, which is not NXN, not DMR, but LTR. I am telling you, download those radio frequencies because you guys will not be disappointed. Because those radio frequencies right there give you guys wide out destinations. But it's like also like find out like a whole lot more like about the different stuff which is here like Indiana. But it's like also like number one the first thing that I would recommend you guys do if you guys are ever looking at like an area that uses like radios, I would recommend you guys call the place and ask the security officer if they allow it, because sometimes like on a security like sometimes like on a cruise, a Victory Casino cruise, just to give you guys a perspective, would not let you bring like any kinds of walkie talkies on board. They would turn you away in a heartbeat because these ships use like walkie talkies for like their communication throughout the ship. It's like also like number one. It's like number one, the first radio frequency in that area we're talking about. We're talking about the Fairfax, Virginia area. Fairfax County has like their own P25 system. So does the county right next to them, Loudoun County. So that means if you guys want to listen to Loudoun County P25 or the Fairfax County P25, those two you guys get like a whole lot more definitely by helping out in like the different areas. Like honestly, it's like also It's like also, it's like also find out like different stuff, like find them out. Like number one, it's like number one. It's like number one. Um, the first thing I would recommend you see guys is calling as the receptionist, and they would divert you guys to security. But But if you guys call like the Indianapolis Zoo, that place would honestly not even let you bring like a radio scanner there. But it's like also find out just like a whole lot more like different stuff that's going on. But it's like number one, the different radio frequencies. It's like, plus like number one, like the different radio stuff, which is like all different here. And plus, like also tonight, you guys, it's like also, I'm going to be having a roast tonight with mashed potatoes and corn. Plus, like, then after that, for like also, for like also just find out just like a whole lot. Plus, like, find out like a whole lot more, like a different people, like, doesn't even know, know that. Now, now a lot of people don't even know this, that, that radio frequencies at Walt Disney World, if you guys like bring the little walkie-talkies and store them like in your pocket, like right here, and have like an earpiece on you, they would not even know because it is like tucked in your jacket. Like honestly, on this ride, you guys would get cold if you guys like go on the water rides. It's like also find out just like a whole lot more like different stuff. It's like also like number two, um, we already talked about the first fact, the second fact, and the third fact of using radio scanners, like like in the Walt Disney World area, or like the Washington D.C. area. Now listening to it there in Baltimore, or like there at the Washington Dulles International, you guys have to be careful. Alright, guys, that's it for today's. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button so you guys will not miss any videos. Goodbye. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.